This is for reception when a person comes in and is a seller. Let's spin this. Hello?
Hi, thanks for calling Ben Yosef Al Siddiqui. This is Ivy. How can I help you today? Are you calling about buying, selling, a vendor service request, or something else?
Hi, Ivy. I'm calling about selling a property.
Great, thank you. Could you please tell me the property address, or at least the city neighborhood you're calling about?
I'm calling about 121 Adams View Street, Annapolis.
Thank you for calling 121 Adamsview Street, Annapolis. You mentioned that you're looking to sell. Are you available for a quick call with a local agent to discuss your property and schedule a consultation?
Yeah, absolutely.
Great there. Is it okay if our team follows up with you using the contact details we already have on file, including email, to confirm next steps and a time?
Yes, sure.
Great there. What day and time works best? For example, Thursday at 11:30 a.m. or Tuesday at 2:15 p.m.
How about Wednesday at 1 o'clock p.m.?
No problem. What exact day and time should I put down? For example, Thursday at 11:30 a.m. or Tuesday at 2:15 p.m.
Wednesday at 1 p.m.
Perfect there. I've scheduled it for Wednesday, December 17 at 1 p.m. Our team will send a confirmation using your contact details on file. Have a great day.
And that's all.